What's up everybody? In today's video, we are going to back up our Samsung phone. So if you're looking out how to do so, these are the methods you can quickly follow up for that. So let's get started. So for that, you can go to your settings app. And within your settings app, you just need to go to accounts and backup section. You can scroll down and find the option for your accounts and backup. And then go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can easily find accounts and backup, and there will be two backup options. One is from Google Drive and one is from Samsung Cloud. So if you want to backup using Samsung Cloud, you can tap on Samsung Cloud backup data. After you do so, you just need to go over and give the unnecessary permissions. So you can, if you want to backup your call logs, your applications, home screen, etc., you can tap on those and tap on backup now. After that is then it should start backing up your data. It may take about some time depending upon your devices, so applications and files and folders, etc. So you just need to go over and do so and back it up. This is one of the methods available. If you'd like to use your Google Drive, you can head back and go to Google Drive backup data and tap on it. After that, from here also you can select up the specific files and folders that you would like to back up. You can turn it on. You can back up your photos and videos, other device data, select those and tap on confirm. Once that is done, you just need to wait for some certain seconds and tap on this option called backup now, and it will manually save up all of your backup. It should automatically back up all of your files and folders available on your device. You just need to follow up this process for that. So that is it everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.